Welcome back to the channel. I am back from vacation for the Bronco. We have 35 1250s, R15s. I've been looking for so long for these guys. It's actually not even funny. Long time. These are super rare where I am, especially used. There's new, but new's very, very, very expensive. So I finally found these. They're used. I got them for 900 bucks. They're Falken Wildpeaks, which is supposed to be pretty good on road for the Bronco, which is good because this is a paving princess. Or at least it'll start that way. And these rims, they are for an old Ford. So these bolt right up right now. I don't want these rims. I have rims on the truck that I want. So I'm gonna be swapping these tires over at some point. But for now, let's throw them on and see how they look. Old 33 off, 35 on. Keep in mind, I have no lift right now, but this isn't gonna be flexing at all, really. Maybe for a picture, but it's not gonna be used off-road. This thing's a freaking beast. So the rear, I believe, is completely fine. The front is where we run into maybe hitting something. That's gonna be an issue. We'll check here in a second once we throw the front one on. Here it is on the front, guys. You can see we got some room. Back should be good. Front looks like it'll be good. We definitely got room here. We are going to throw the rest of them on, guys. I'm gonna throw the other two on, and then we're gonna check our steering radius. Woo, baby. We got the 35s on. They look absolutely amazing. So we got the wheels turned, looking at the clearance here. Looks good on this side. If we look back here, that's your closest point so far. It looks fine. Like, this is full lock. I don't think it'll hit though. Check this one out. Loads of room. Loads of room. No worries at all anywhere here. Not even really close to the frame, to be honest. Clear of the box there. Way clear. And on this side, we are the same as the other side. Almost rubbing the radius arm there, I believe. But yeah, we're fine. We're not gonna be wheeling. If I was wheeling, I'd be a little bit more concerned. Bronco, I thought, was in park, but it kept rolling. When the motor and tranny were in the F-150 and the T-case, it all worked properly. It parked, it went in park, it stayed still. So it turns out it was the slightest bit off. It wasn't fully engaged in park. It was like just a sliver away. I went inside and cranked it into park. The Bronco stopped rolling, so it doesn't roll anymore, which is perfect because that means it's actually in park. And then I was like, wait a second, my Bronco hasn't been starting, hasn't been cranking because of something. So I was like, don't tell me this entire time the Bronco hasn't been cranking because it wasn't in park. And that is the exact issue that it was. So I'm gonna show you guys. I have a new ignition. None of this was working. So I was so confused why my new ignition wasn't working. My new dash is in, something's all messed up. It's just not working. Now listen to this, party people. And here it is. That's one hard with one hand. It's not. You guys hear that? Yeah, that's the Bronco cranking. And I know why it doesn't start, so that's not the issue. It's the cranking I couldn't figure out. But now it's all because it wasn't in park. That simple. Keep going here. We got the tires on. We got the Bronco cranking. I put a new rear drum brake on, brand new one, so we're good there. This is something I'll show you guys too. So I have my gas tank filler neck, but it's too short. So under here it stops. So I got this idea. This has a lip as well. If you guys see there, it has a lip. So I'm gonna weld this piece on, seal up that groove there, weld that piece on, and then we should be able to throw our fuel neck on. And we got lots to do, guys, but I'm just so excited. I couldn't be any happier right now with this build. Also, guys, more awesome news here. I got my hands on a tailgate for it, the Bronco as well. $387 US, free shipping to the States. I bought that when I was on vacation. I was drinking a little bit too much tequila, and I was like, oh, this looks like a good deal. Sniped it, so I'm excited to get that tailgate because I want a tailgate so when I do the quarter panels, we're not 10 feet off. I want the gaps to be right. I want it all to be right. So I'm getting the tailgate, I'm gonna put that on, and then that way I can line up my gaps on the quarter panel, make sure everything's in line. Same with the doors. You don't want to put this stuff on without lining everything up, because if my quarter panel sags a 1/2 inch, that dent side line isn't gonna line up. So guys, we're gonna continue here, hopping into the rear of the Bronco. So I just removed this screw from there and removed this one from there. They came out good because we're gonna reuse them for an interior tire mount for the 35 that I got. It's gonna sit up like that out the side here. So I'm gonna be cleaning this inside all up. So we're gonna go all the way to the back by the green there. We're gonna go all the way to there, kind of clean up this inside, get it painted, get working on that. All right, with some elbow grease, we got this inside here all painted up, matte black Rust-Oleum. So we're gonna be doing the same thing on this side. I'm also going to be welding our fuel filler neck. Guys, it's all welded up. Now we're just running some tests here to see if there's anything coming through the bottom. It's fully sealed. I shined a light through it to see if there's any light. So just running some brake fluid here. Feels completely dry, which is what you want. This is the exact lean that the fuel filler is going to be on, but not too much. So just doing a bunch of tests here, running it through, cleaning it out. Nothing. So that is perfect, guys. We are gonna paint it, and there it is. Kind of looks factory, almost factory, to be honest. The inner bed is all done, both sides painted up, both sides are mint. I got the filler neck ready to go on, but I'm just gonna wait till I deal with this stuff here. So we're gonna wait on that next video, guys, probably. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for this video. As always, there's tons of more stuff we need to do. So if you enjoyed it, hit that sub button, and you're gonna watch this Bronco get on the road soon. And I would like to thank everybody who commented on my leaving YouTube video. I didn't realize so many people care about the channel and really like watch. I just kind of didn't get it, but I really appreciate that. It made me so happy when I was on vacation to see that people were wishing me a good vacation and wishing me the best and see you soon and all that stuff. I really appreciate that. That was awesome. So thanks to all of you who commented on that video. Thanks to everybody who's watching, and thanks to everybody who's hitting that like button this second. The support is awesome, and we're gonna keep going, guys. I'm gonna be selling logo stickers if you guys do want to support the channel. More on that in upcoming videos. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram and message me. I like to talk about builds and stuff. And that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Catch you in the next vid. Peace.